Weather-resistant. Keeper Carabiner Bungee Cords are designed to withstand UV rays and weather damage. Each multi-pack contains 18 in, 24 in, 36 in, and 48 in bungee cords. Expansive for your needs. Bungee cord stretches for your cargo needs. Premium rubber on the inside helps deliver optimal performance and elasticity for long-lasting repeated use. Professional grade. Spring-loaded gate closure steel latch at each end helps prevent accidental releases, keeping items safe and secured, and is up to 3x stronger than conventional hooks. Additional features. Durable design stretches over your cargo. Ideal use. Great for home, work, recreational, on-the-go, travel, and much more. The Keeper Assorted Carabiner Bungee Cords are designed to withstand UV rays and weather damage. They are constructed with a spring-loaded gate closure steel latches at each end to prevent accidental releases, keeping items safe and secured. The inside premium rubber delivers optimal performance and elasticity for long-lasting repeated use. To operate, simply affix the carabiner hook ends to any anchor point. The cords come in a convenient 12-pack to secure multiple items. Top reviews from the United States. Customer support is phenomenal. I ordered this set of bungee cords because of the carabiner attachments. When they arrived, I was surprised to find that everything was in order but for one thing. The entire set of 24-inch cords were missing one of their carabiners on one end. Normally I wouldn't bother about something so small, but I purchased this for that capability. I contacted the manufacturer directly instead of going onto Amazon, and relayed to them of the shortage. They promptly replied, and the next day an email came to me apologizing for my experience, and notified me they were sending the replacement. Soon I received a FedEx shipping number. Today it arrived, and I expected a small box with 3 carabiners. Instead they sent me a complete new replacement set of all 12 bungee cords with carabiners. Customer service like that in this day and age deserves recognition. Well done, and thank you.